to buy and install a new Ubigi SIM on an iPad.
Download the Ubigi app. Swipe through the welcome screens to reach the sign up. Create your account. Select your country of residence, not your destination. Choose tablet as the device to connect. Tap Buy a new Ubigi SIM from the list. For the other options, check out the other tutorials.
You will then access the data plans catalog.
If you allow geolocation, you will have a short list of data plans according to your current location.
Tap the drop-down menu to access the search box or select your destination from the list.
Choose your perfect data plan. We'll check your device's eSIM compatibility before checkout. Add your payment info to proceed.
Your data plan has been added to your account, no QR code needed. You will then be taken to the app's dashboard. Before your departure, click on Install your eSIM in the top banner. Tap Continue and then allow to begin installing your eSIM.
This step may take a few minutes.
Tap on Continue to activate the eSIM on your device. Once the eSIM is installed, just tap Done to finish. Great job! Your Ubigi eSIM is installed. Your data plan is ready to use on the dashboard.
Thanks to our Smart Start feature, your data plan will only activate once your eSIM connects in a destination covered by your plan. To know how to activate, see our tutorial on how to activate or deactivate your Ubigi eSIM.
Good to know. Your Ubigi eSIM can be used in 200+ destinations with free app access to top up anytime, anywhere.